Hello, in this short video we are going to investigate the following A+ level problem on the topic of differentiation rules. If f of x equals to sine of x plus pi over 4 squared, then f prime of 0 is equal to. That would be a good idea if you pause the video at this point and give it a try yourself to see which one of the following options is the correct answer to this problem. Okay, in order to solve this problem, we need to use consecutively the chain rule. So the first thing that we take as u is this guy, and then because then the function reads u squared, and we know that derivative of u squared is simply comparable to x squared, which is 2u, but you multiply it by u prime because of the chain rule. So the first step is just f prime of x equals to 2 u is sine of x plus pi over 4 multiplied by the derivative of u, but this one was u, so I have to differentiate it as u prime. So you know that we have to continue until there is no prime left. So I copy and paste the first parts, 2 sine of x plus pi over 4, but then this one I will take this one to be u, then I will have sine u prime, which becomes cosine of u, but you have to multiply by u prime. So this becomes cosine of sine of x plus pi over 4 multiplied by the derivative of u, which is sine of x plus pi over 4 totally prime. But still the prime is left, so we have to continue. So I copy and paste all the expressions up to that point. Yes, and then we take this one to be u, and then again sine u, derivative becomes cosine u multiplied by u prime, but this time u prime is 1, so the end of the story will be just cosine of u. So this becomes cosine of x plus pi over 4. Now everything is ready. You are calculating, we're supposed to calculate f prime of 0. So this means that everywhere I see x, I put 0. So this becomes 2 sine of pi over 4 multiplied by cosine sine of pi over 4 multiplied by cosine of pi over 4. But of course we know that sine of pi over 4 equals to cosine of pi over 4 is equal to square root of 2 over 2. So then this means that my question mark is equal to 2 sine of a square root of 2 over 2 cosine of a square root of 2 over 2 and then square root of 2 over 2. But hopefully you realize that this combination is a famous combination. We have 2 sine theta cosine theta for any angle becomes sine of 2 times the angle. Okay, so now if I give the role of theta to this square root of 2 over 2, which is of course expressed in radians, then it becomes exactly the left hand side of the formula that I wrote here for you. So I can combine it into the form of sine of 2 times this angle. So what will happen, this becomes sine of 2 times the square root of 2 over 2, meaning 2 theta, multiplied by square root of 2. Instead of this 2 in the denominator, I write square root of 2 square root of 2. The reason is that I did that because I want to make the answer as one of the answers in the given options. Okay, now what will happen, this 2 and that 2 are cancelled, square root of 2 and the square root of 2 are cancelled, so what is left for me is just simply sine square root of 2 multiplied by 1 over square root of 2, which it is better to write it as sine square root of 2 divided by square root of 2, and that will be the answer to this problem. Okay, and as you see, this is option B. I hope that this video was useful for you. Until the next video, be safe and goodbye. Thank you.